Although we call this cart Library on Wheels, there is no limit to what it can organize. I'm going to show you a couple of different models and how they can be used just about anywhere in a school. Its sturdy frame and large 5-inch casters make it really easy to move, even when it's loaded up. The cart was designed to transport books effortlessly and is ideal for literacy programs, reading stations, and room-to-room book sharing. This model has 9 divided tubs that make it easy to preview covers and organize by topic. Each tub can hold 10 pounds, so the whole cart can handle 90 pounds of books. But who says a library has to refer to only books? It can be a library of tools, art supplies, or maker materials like these. To help organize further, the cart comes with adhesive name pockets to slide in labels. For a different organizational approach, we have this model which replaces the divided tubs with 18 small open tubs. This too can be used for books and anything that needs to be kept organized. And with the sturdy casters, it can be shared throughout a school. Both carts carry our no fine print warranty, 10 years on the frame, and the tubs have a lifetime warranty.